Global warming represents the biggest threat to our generation.
Floods, more sea rise, more wildfire, more drought, more extreme heat. What are we going to do?
Government, industry, and capital markets have to shift how we are thinking about society.
We need to actually adopt an all-hands-on-deck approach.
Today at HBS is a convention of climate leaders and thinkers all getting together to talk about how we might be part of a solution to how our climate is changing.
It's a multi-school, multi-organizational collaboration.
We'll be diving into extremely important topics in terms of accelerating climate solutions.
I strongly believe that business will play a critically important role in addressing the urgent challenges of climate change.
It's exhilarating to see HBS marshaling its formidable resources around this topic. Finally, people's energy is being focused on this.
This convening has really brought together participants from many different parts of the ecosystem.
Thought leaders, boots on the ground folks in climate, clean tech.
From industry, from government, from finance.
Waste and circular economy to food and agribusiness.
Also the investors, people like myself who are looking to deploy capital.
Lots of money are coming into this renewables market.
Trillions of dollars of capital, private sector capital, can flow from the global north to the global south.
What I plan to share with my colleagues at work is that there is real momentum building to find actionable solutions.
The one thing I'll take away is just how important decarbonization is to every single business.
I actually don't think there are any green jobs. We're greening the entire system.
The word that we've heard more in the last couple of days, more than innovation, is leadership.
What I hope to take away is some understanding of novel research being done at the Harvard Business School, whether it's aligning incentives, whether it is looking at accounting practices as it relates to carbon.
We're building a demonstration unit right now. It will capture 5 tons of CO2 a day and put out 1 megawatt thermal.
The last panel, the focus was on nuclear fusion as well as a new solution for carbon capture.
Now you can build a plant that you can imagine as the size of a natural gas plant with clean, dispatchable, zero carbon power.
To me, those were really exciting to learn about.
Meeting some of these speakers after some of these panels felt like being in class again, and potentially also build business partnerships with some of the teams I'm supporting in my operational role.
I'm just very grateful to Harvard Business School and the Business Environment Initiative for putting on this event.
It's very exciting to see that HBS is stepping up, taking the lead as it does in every other sphere of business.
We get so much energy from our students. We are so grateful for the voice of students that are driving the change and that are becoming our alumni.
Seeing the energy, the innovation, the passion of the younger generation, and being able to help support some of that so they can become the next generation of leaders and pioneers is incredibly energizing.
I want to thank the three of you for such a rich and engaging conversation. I am leaving this with a lot of optimism.
And what inspired me to be here is to leverage everything Harvard has to offer, that it's built over these last hundreds of years to help be not just a part of the solution, but right at the center of solving the issue of climate change. And a wonderful group of people here. If those people keep working together, we can achieve so much.